AI School presents Robotics Workshop at Maratha Mandir Global School, Ratnagiri. In December 2024, AI School conducted an exciting robotics workshop at Maratha Mandir Global School, Ratnagiri, marking the beginning of an incredible journey into the world of robotics for its students. This workshop empowered young minds to explore their limitless potential by diving into the exciting fields of designing, building, and programming robots. Students got hands-on experience using state-of-the-art kits and sensors, learning essential skills while unleashing their creativity. The participants not only discovered the thrill of innovation, but also gained valuable insights into teamwork, problem-solving, and critical thinking. As a token of recognition for their efforts and dedication, each student was awarded a certificate of appreciation, acknowledging their commitment to embracing technology and innovation. This workshop wasn't just about robotics. It was about inspiring a generation to dream big, think creatively, and prepare for a future shaped by technology. Together, we're building a brighter tomorrow.